Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about in the mass transfer person 2 unit number 4 drying. Okay. So what is the drying and some operations చేసాం అప్పుడే. Now start introductions part. Drying refers to an operation in which the moisture of a substance, usually solid, is removed by thermal means with the help of a thermal energy. And drying usually refers to the removal of relatively small amount of water from a solid or nearly solid material. It involves the transfer of liquid from a wet solid into an unsaturated gas phase. Drying medium. Okay. During this operation, mass and heat transfer occurs simultaneously. And heat transfer is from the bulk of the gas phase, drying medium, to the solid phase, and mass is transferred from the solid phase to gas phase in the form of liquid or vapor. Through this formation, various resistance the material liquid is transferred is the solute, and transfer take place as a gas phase is always unsaturated with respect to the solute material. In drying, relatively small amount of water or other liquid is removed from the solid or a semi solid material using a thermal energy na basis पर. Where in evaporations relatively large amount of water is removed from solution, and drying involves the removal of water at a temperature below the boiling point, while the evaporation involves the removal of water was a vapor at its boiling point, and drying involves circulation of hot air or other gas over a solid material for the removal of water, where evaporation involves use to steam heat for the removal of water and to obtain some products. Almost in the dried from is the purpose of drying operations, while to obtain concentrated solution is the main purpose of some evaporation part, as the removal of moisture by the thermal means are more costly than a mechanical means. This formation. Simply example is a filtration. The moisture content of a material must be reduced to the minimum possible level by the latter means before the material is fit to the drying equipment. In most of the drying operation, the heat required to evaporate water is provided by hot air or any other gas drying medium. And the drying is frequently the last operation is manufacturing process and is usually carried after evaporation and filtration or crystallization. This operation is carried out in food, chemical agriculture, pharmaceuticals, and textile industries. Now, drying operation is carried out for the reasons given below. Okay, કયા કયા operations છે જોઈશું આપણે. For reducing the transport cost, for purifying a crystalline product so that the solvent adhering to the crystal is removed from, for making a material more suitable for handling and storage. Now the handling and storage of dry solids is easy, very easy, and to meet the market specifications of solid product set by the customers, for providing definite properties to material. In some cases, for preventing corrosion arising due to the presence of moisture, dry chlorine gas is not corrosiveness, but trace of the moisture make it very corrosive. Sometimes it is an essential part of the process. For example, drying of paper in a paper making. General definition જોઈએ આપણે. Okay, now they start one by one. લખી લો તમે points. Now the first of all definitions, the moisture content of a wet material may be expressed on the wet or dry basis. The first છે moisture content wet basis. moisture content કોને કહીશું આપણે? The moisture content of a wet feed material on wet basis is defined as the ratio of the weight of the moisture to be weight of the wet feed material. If X is the kg moisture associated with 1 kg of dry solid, then the moisture content છે આપણો x/1 plus x થશે. એ જ રીતે ડ્રાયમાં જુઓ. Now what is the dry basis? For a moisture content equation છે આપણી પાસે x/1 plus x and the weight percent is moisture content for a kg of moisture by kg of weight solid multiplied 100 is equal to 100 by જે ઉપર equations છે તે લીધું છે આપણે. Now the simple definitions part, second one. First one જોઈએ આપણે moisture content weight basis પર. The moisture content of a wet feed material. Okay. And on weight basis આપણે defined as the ratio of the weight of this moisture to the weight of the wet feed material. If X is the kg of moisture associated with 1 kg of dry solid, then the moisture content weight basis x by 1 plus x. The weight percent moisture of a wet feed material on a weight basis is defined as the weight of the moisture expressed as a percentage of the wet feed material wet solid માટે. The weight percentage moisture content weight basis is equal to kg of moisture by kg of wet solid multiplied 100 is equal to 100 multiplied x by 1 plus x. Dry basis पर the moisture of a wet feed material on dry basis is defined as the ratio of the weight of the moisture to the weight of the dry solid percent in the wet feed material. If the feed material contains x kg moisture and 1 kg of dry solid, then the moisture content dry basis per kg of moisture by kg of dry solid is equal to x by 1 is equal to x. the percentage moisture content on a dry basis is equal to 100 multiply x. And the equilibrium moisture content x stars, it is the moisture content of substances that is in a equilibrium, which is its vapor in the gas phase under the specified humidity and a temperature of the hot gas or air. It represent the phase limiting moisture content નીચે the given material can be dried. હવે સિમ્પલ યાદ રાખવાનું કે ઇક્વિલિબ્રિયમ મોઇસ્ચર કન્ટેન્ટ x સ્ટાર છે અને આ બાજુ x છે ડ્રાય બેઝિસ માટે. અને ડેફિનેશન ઇઝ ધ કોમન પાર્ટ ફોર લેસ દેન અને ગ્રેટર દેન. Now the vapor in the gas phase under the specified humidity ટેમ્પરેચર માટે. ઓકે, અહીંયા છે આપણે ખાલી લેસ દેન. ઓકે, બાઉન્ડ મોઇસ્ચર કોને કહેવાશે, ઇક્વિલિબ્રિયમ મોઇસ્ચર કોને કહેવાશે જોઈ લીધું. હવે ઇટ ઇઝ ધ મોઇસ્ચર કન્ટેન્ટ સબસ્ટન્સીસ માટે is in the equilibrium with its vapor in the gas phase under the specified humidity and the temperature of the hot gas or and they represent the limiting moisture content to which a given material can be dried under the constant drying condition. It is the moisture content of a substances which is in equilibrium with a given partial pressure of the vapor. And bound moisture માટે જુઓ, it is the moisture content in a material which exert a vapor pressure less than of the pure liquid at the same temperature. અને unbound moisture માટે it is the moisture held by a material in excess of the equilibrium moisture content corresponding to saturation humidity. It is partially held in the voids of the solids. It is the moisture content in a material which exert an equilibrium vapor pressure equal to that in the pure liquid at the same temperature માટે. Now it is the moisture content by a material in excess of the equilibrium moisture content x minus x star. The given temperature and humidity, it is a moisture content of material that can be removed by drying. It may be included by an unbound moisture. Now critical moisture content કોન્સન્ટ્રેટ પીરિયડ માટે યાદ રાખજો. It is the moisture content of a material at which the constant rate period and in the falling rate period are starting. This moisture content is a function of a constant drying rate, material properties and a particle size. એને કેટલા આવે તે. Now the constant rate period, it is in the part drying process during which is the rate of drying expressed as the moisture evaporated per unit time per unit area and drying surface remains constant. Falling rate period, it is the part of the drying process during which is the rate of drying varies with time and instantaneous drying rate expressed as the amount of moisture evaporated per time the unit area of drying surface is continuously decreases here. Now the some properties of air water system. The moisture removed from a wet solid during drying operation get added in the hot gas in this formation. Relatively humidity ની ઇક્વેશન્સ છે યાદ રાખજો. આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું આ. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.